connection if you are on Wi-Fi. This can clear temporary network issues causing the error. 4. Clear game cache verify files. Open the launcher options. Use the verify game files or clear cache function to fix corrupted files. Hashtag 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus. Make sure the game is allowed through your firewall. Temporarily disable antivirus software or whitelist the game if necessary. 6. Disable VPN proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Some connections can block the game from syncing with servers. 7. Flush DNS. Open command prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Restart your PC and try again. 8. Temporary profile fix. Some errors are linked to profile sync. Try logging in without your gear equipped or create a new offline profile to test if the game loads. When nothing works, if none of these steps help, the error is likely caused by server overload or maintenance. The only solution is to wait for the servers to stabilize. Tip: